Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good and blessed. And if you're new, what's up? Show some love by subscribing, liking, and commenting, and join the family. Join the family. So in this video, I am going to recreate a look that Vanessa Gyimah did. If you don't know who she is, she's a makeup artist based in the US. I love her work. She's so gorgeous, and she's my Ghanaian sister. Shout out to you. So I just want to follow her steps, you know, when it comes to makeup and have that flawless look that she always has. So I'm actually going to recreate this look over here. I'm going to put a picture right here. And yeah, let's see how we do. Honestly, I am not a makeup artist whatsoever. I probably don't have half of the products she uses, but we are going to finesse this and hopefully I look good in the end. Okay.
So I'm going to be using the Fenty Pro Concealer in the shade 440. It's a really warm shade, so I like to use it to color correct.
Okay, so the first thing she does is she's going to color correct with her Fenty. I so happen to have that product. Oh, thank God. So she's using the Fenty Beauty. So I guess she's going to color correct all the areas where it's a bit darker on your face. So usually my eyes.
Correct. Under my eyes.
Put it underneath here. Here, underneath this eye. And then she blends it all out. So as you can see, it already brightened my face a little bit. So then she put her foundation on. So me, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty in the color 460. So I'm just gonna put some. Hey, is it finished? Finito. Wow. So I personally like to spray my face a little bit before I actually blend my foundation, just because it gets very dry out here. She's using a beauty blender, but I like using my brush, so that's what I'm going to do. Honestly, this foundation is like my perfect shade, yo. Huh. Alright, so up next she's putting her concealer. So I actually like to mix my concealer, if I can find the second one. So I am mixing my Fenty Beauty concealer with this NYX Won't Stop concealer. Okay. Oh yeah, Diana. Okay, so she uses a blending brush, but I'm still going to use my brush because, well, hey, wait, hold on. So just blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it, blend it. Hey, so she's going to highlight a bit more even. What a wow. I need something a bit lighter. Hold on. So I have this NYX, which is lighter than the one I used before. So she put it underneath her eyes. So she's doing something with her under eye. Me, I only have the NW45. I'm just gonna pretend like I'm doing the same thing because I don't know what I'm doing. So she's going to cream contour right now. I don't have a cream contour, so I'm gonna use my darker shade Fenty Beauty. Fenty Beauty. What am I doing? What am I doing?
That's all we did so far, and now we're moving on to brow. My brows take like a decade to do. I'll do a separate video for that, so I'm gonna do the brows and I'm gonna be right back.
Oh my gosh, so she did her eyebrows off camera. What am I going to do? What? Sister, Vanessa, why? I guess we're gonna draw my eyebrows. Okay, so up next she's going to do eyeshadow. If you know me, you know I suck at eyeshadow. I don't even try it because it's just too much work and I don't understand it. But today, you know, I trust my sister Vanessa. So let me say a little prayer.
God, please help with this eyeshadow. Don't let me butcher it up. Amen.
Alright, let's see what she's doing. So she has this gold bronze-ish color.
It's transition shades for dark skin girls. So we're gonna go.
And I have this one here, and based on her picture, this looks the most like it, so that's what I'm gonna use. She said to put it in the crease. I don't even know what it means to put something in the crease, girl. So crease, I guess this is the crease. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing. Guys, can I just skip this part? Like, I'm too nervous. Guys, I can't do this. Guys, I'm gonna skip the eyeshadow. I'm so sorry. Like, I cannot. You know what? No, we don't give up in life. I'm gonna do it. This one here. And where's she putting it? See, I don't have that. Whatever she did is not working for me. Maybe I just don't have good eyeshadow, but what did she do? So she's gonna put it here. But it's okay.
And we'll smoke it out at the end. We're gonna do like a smoked out black wing liner. So I'm using a Sigma L04.
Well, that's because the new curing technology saturates the ground more evenly to
Hey, sister did not go all this far, but anyways, you know what? What is this? Like, what, guys? What kind of anti-Ghana mom is this? You know what? We're going to try it again. No, I refuse to be a failure. Nah. You know what? This one looks a bit better than this. This one, yeah. This is the most horrible eyeshadow I've ever done in my life. What is happening? Jesus Christ, like, guys. We'll leave it. At this point, I'm gonna leave it like this. Vanessa, I tried. So we're going to press in my thing. Eyeshadow is already a mess, so we're not gonna look at that. Thank you. So yeah, I skipped the eyeshadow because it's really not doing it for me. Like I said, I can't do it. I have to practice. I just wiped it off, as you can see. I'm sorry, Vanessa. I'm sorry. Next time I'll try again because all right, now she wants me to spray my face. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so I spray my face. Okay, so she's gonna bronze her face. That's it. Okay, let's do what I do know what to do with my eyes, which is put eyeliner. This is honestly just a mess.com. Like, this is a mess. A mess. Honestly, we're just gonna continue this look without her because I gotta finish this face. I gotta finish the face and I don't know what I'm doing. I'll just put some highlighter. And then above my brows a little bit. Even my eyebrows. Like, what kind of eyebrows be this one? Eh? I'm just gonna leave. And then my lips, I'm gonna put my own type of lip. So guys, this is my final look. Listen, Vanessa, I swear to you, I am not the one when it comes to eyeshadow. Like, I froze. Like, I wasn't gonna give up, but at one point I had to give up because, but other than that, I think my makeup is okay. You can see the nice contour here, there. Nose is a little bit smaller. Like, Vanessa, I tried. I think you should give me an A+ for efforts, okay? Because that was interesting. Anyways, hey, I don't even have my headband on. What do you guys think? This or with this beautiful headband from Morowa Beauty. Check them out. I'll put their thing below. Let's see. Now I look like royal lady. I think it's cute. Anyways, next time I will make you proud. As for this one there, it's my first time trying playing with eyeshadow and it was just not happening. But you know what, I'm gonna buy the right products, like exactly what she's using, so that I can recreate this again. This was just it was different. This was different. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just did this for fun. I'm not going anywhere. Yeah, I'll just flaunt here with my look. I'm gonna watch TV with this face, okay? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.